Hello, it's Lori with Giggle Girl Arts. I'm getting started on my day 3 project. I just wanted to show you real quick what they look like for a reminder before I get started. So this is Cara Brandon's sheet for day 3, and this is Dear Julie Julie's. And then I also have some items left from day 1 and 2. That I'll also be using, or I'll have available to me. And that is those. And then I just wanted to say a real quick giggles and greetings to some friends that left comments. Anna Garcia, Vicky Journals and Crafts, Arlene Amaro, April Storm Paper Studios, Sandra Chenko, I'm not sure which way to say it, and Creative Nana, aka Sheila. Thank you so much for leaving comments. I really appreciate the support. And now I'm gonna get working on these and I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so here is what I've come up with. The first item I made was decorating the envelope. I used this egg from today's day 3 Dear Julie Julie page, and this was left over from Cara's day 1. And this is her label, one of her labels from today. And I found some stickers that I think I may be putting words in the label. And then I added this lavender eyelash trim. This is an old card that I think a birthday card or something came in. And then the next item, I started this little page or folder. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do in the end, but this is from Julie's page, this is from Cara's, this is from Cara's, and this is from Julie's. And then I put this here. This is scrapbook paper, some scrapbook paper that I have, very old scrapbook paper. So yeah, then the next things I did were these 2 tags, and I took Dollar Tree lace and I rubbed my ink on it, and then I squirted it with a water bottle and was able to dye the lace that way. That's what I did with these little flowers, also from Dollar Tree. This is how they originally looked. And then I have the little gems, or dots, whatever they are. And then finally I did a paper clip out of this little tag. And I'm probably going to do the same thing with its partner later. But since I'm so far behind, I wanted to put something up. Then I went back to day 1, and at least I think this was day 1, and I added one of Cara's labels because I didn't have anything of Cara's on here. I just had Julie's. And I did the same here. Added a little label also, and then one of the little tickets from Cara's. So now they're both represented on every piece so far. I have a whole bunch of things left from days 1, 2, and 3. So I will continue to incorporate these in the following days. Make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this content. Leave a comment and let me know if you have any questions about anything. I'll have all the information in the description box about the collaboration, how you can join, and all of the other participants. Make sure you use the hashtag 5 days Easter, no spaces, no of 2022. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.